You gonna take it for a ride? Yay! You like that? Where's the truck, Daniel? Where's the truck? Right there. Right there, Daniel, look. Daniel, right here. The truck. Hi, truck. Hi, truck. Hi, truck. You gonna go sit in your chair? Wow! You gonna sit in your chair? Yeah, you gonna growl at it? Sit down. Sit down in your chair like a nice boy. No. Say thank you, Aunt June.
Yay!
Yeah. Thank you, Aunt June.
There's another one I didn't see.
You can say thank you, Aunt June.
Thank you, Aunt June.